fast forward, this week we're going to be learning about perimeter. I don't know if you guys do whole brain teaching in your room. If in my room we do, feel free to repeat with me as we talk about what is perimeter. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. All right, repeat that one more time. Perimeter is the distance around a shape. So when we're talking about the distance around a shape, we're talking about the outside of a shape. So if I want to find the perimeter of this square, once I know my side lengths, I can add them all together. So if this side length is 3 inches, because it's a square, you know that all 4 sides would be 3 inches. So I'd add 3 inches plus 3 inches plus 3 inches plus 3 inches, which would give me 12 inches, and that would be the perimeter of the square. All right, so I have some problems we're going to look at together. Okay guys, so I have some shapes here. We're going to find the perimeter. You'll notice in this first shape, there's a grid, and each square on the grid is equal to 1 unit square. So to find the perimeter, which is the distance around the outside of this shape, I could count each square and find the perimeter. So this is 1 unit square. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can count around the unit squares and find that the perimeter is 12 units. I can also go ahead and label my side lengths and then add those together. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this side length is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this side length is 1 unit, this one is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, and this is 1 unit square. So essentially, we're going to be adding all these ones together. So I've got 1 plus 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 1. Okay, so I'm going to add all these ones together. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have my perimeter of this shape is 12 units, okay? All right, so you may have a shape where the side lengths are already labeled for you. So let's look at this next one. We have a rectangle. You guys know that the parallel lines on a rectangle are the same length. So this side length is 8 inches. This side length is 8 inches. This side length is 3 inches. This side length is 3 inches. Now we want to find the perimeter, which is the distance around the outside of this two-dimensional shape. So to find the perimeter, we're going to add all of our side lengths together. So I have 8 inches plus 3 inches plus 8 inches plus 3 inches. Let's add those together. So I know that 8 plus 3 is 11. I have 8 plus 3, which is 11. 11 inches plus 11 inches is going to give me 22 inches. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 22 inches. Okay, look at this shape. Look at the side lengths. This side length is 9 inches. This one is 2 inches, 2 inches, 9 inches, and 3 inches. Again, the perimeter is the distance around the outside of this shape. We're going to find the perimeter by adding all the side lengths together. So I'm going to start with 9 inches. 9 inches plus 2 inches plus 2 inches plus 9 inches plus 3 inches. That's going to give me the perimeter. Well, I know that 9 plus 2 is 11. Here I have 11 again. So I have 11 inches plus 11 inches, which is 22 inches, plus 3 inches. That's going to give me 25 inches. So the perimeter of this shape is 25 inches. Okay guys, so today we learned what perimeter is. We learned that it's the distance around the outside of a shape. We learned how to find the perimeter. You find the perimeter by adding all the side lengths together. And so now let's talk about some real world applications for perimeter. When would we ever use perimeter in real life? So perimeter is not just finding the distance around two-dimensional shapes in a math workbook. Perimeter is used in real world situations. So if your parents want to put down baseboard in a room in your house, then they would need to know the perimeter around the floor of that room. if your parents were wanting to fence in your yard, they would have to find the perimeter. So we'll just say that your yard is a rectangle. They will have to find the distance around your yard to figure out how much fencing to buy for your yard. Okay guys, this wraps up lesson 1 on perimeter. I enjoyed being with you today. Look out for our next video with perimeter where we're working with missing side links. See you then.